Charles blowing rat turds. Look at him. Listen to him blowing rat turds out of a Corvair engine. He's about to throw up. This is great. This is great training for him. Is that it? That is impacted rodent infestation. All of the cooling channels, all of the fins are impacted with rat droppings and feces. Hours and hours to try to clean that out. For an 80 horsepower 61 engine, I don't think so. Look at him scooping up rat turds with his bare, well, he's got gloved hands, but see, Uncle Tim? We can make a man out of him. Look at him. It's not hopeless.